Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Profitec Pro 700 espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a little bit of work. We had to remove these pressure thermosensors from the boiler, from both of the boilers, the coffee boiler as well as the steam boiler. This is the other one. One of them broke and one of them actually, what is this one? Yeah, one of them broke and one actually left the little screw inside the boiler, so we had to drill that out and we had to replace it with a newer one. We cleaned everything inside, make sure there were no leaks on the coffee boiler or the steam boiler as we were descaling this machine and giving this machine a tune-up. We deep cleaned everything around the group head, descaled both boilers as I was saying, and we checked for any kind of additional leaks or anything that might have in the machine, and we couldn't find anything. What we did find was that the shower screen was in really bad condition. Like you can barely see through here. It's just completely clogged with coffee. Just for the record, this is a shower screen. It's a cleaner one. As you can see, you can kind of see through it, but with this one, you don't. So yeah, it definitely needed to be replaced and serviced. Lot of coffee buildup that we find right here on the group head as well. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Then we're gonna need to use the water and then the steam. Now for this machine, I am using a bottom zip portafilter, so it's gonna be a little bit tricky. But if I put it right, you'll be able to see a nice steady shot coming out of the machine. As you can see, it's not the greatest. It's definitely struggling to pass through there. Probably tapped way too hard on this, and let's do that again. Gonna stop right here. We'll do that again. Perfect. Let's try that again. There you go, nice steady stream, the way it's supposed to be. Now we can stop it around the 2-ounce mark, which is gonna be right here. And as you can see, we have an amazing crema on our coffee. Excellent shot. Flow from the group head is coming out really nicely. You can see it's a steady stream. Steam from the boiler, really powerful, was detected as well. And hot water. So there you have it, Profitec Pro 700 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.